The Buddha said that we are wandering in samsara, in this realm of birth and death, due to our innate ignorance. Our innate ignorance meaning our cherishing of an ego and thinking it as I. Everything which we do centers around this I, this ego. And this ego brings us some pleasure, but it brings us so much pain. And the way to true release from this is to see through the machinations of the ego and learn how to drop it. And the only way we can do that is through spiritual progress. The Buddha said that we are dreaming a dream. We have to wake up. The only way to wake ourselves is through spiritual practice. Once we wake up, then we realize that this whole thing has been just a dream. And even if we fall back to sleep again, we now know we're sleeping and we don't think that this is reality. Our tragedy is that we take our delusions as reality, and so we suffer.
What does the phrase human perfection mean to you?
Perfection means going beyond the limitations of our ordinary selfish mind, our ego. The problem being that we are caught up in our ordinary conceptual mind and we believe it. We think that what we think and feel and all our emotions and our memories and our thoughts and our prejudices and our ideas, this is our genuine reality. This is who we are. And we have no concept even, literally, of that which goes beyond concepts, which is our true reality. When we are able to drop this ordinary ego-centered mind and our conceptual thinking and directly experience the nature of the mind and remain within that state, then we become perfect. Normally we just see it for a very short glimpse. At least, as I said, it's like waking up. At least you can wake up, then you fall back to sleep. A Buddha is one who is totally awake, and so he is also totally perfect. He's the fullness of compassion and wisdom.
Okay, so would another way of looking at it be that practices enable us to either glimpse that perfection or to stabilize its availability?
Exactly.